Hi there. In this video, we will cover adding vehicles manually. To view and manage vehicles in the TechMan system, hover over the Customers tab and select All Vehicles. From here, we can see a list of all vehicles in the system with the option to search and filter search results. We can also see the next MOT date if one has been added, along with the associated customer if there. Vehicles can also be added manually in the TechMan system by selecting New Vehicle in the top right corner. Enter the registration and select Add Vehicle manually. Next, we can assign a make, model, fuel type, engine size, year of manufacture, body type, and VIN. We could also record if it's a commercial, the next MOT date, next service date, and asset number. Once you've added all the relevant information you want to record, hit Save Vehicle. Thanks for watching. For further assistance, feel free to visit our help center to reach out to our support team. We're always here to help.